one of you that I'm back with a hijab tutorial, but not a new one, unfortunately. I will call it a remake because it's just like the other one I posted, and by accident I deleted it. Yes, I deleted my own video accidentally, but I guess this is something that it does happen to so many of you out there, and unfortunately it was among my most loved one. I really liked that video, and I thought, why not sharing one more? So hopefully I won't delete this one. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi my lilies, so I have to explain this one because like last time, I know some of you might not understand what I did. So I just took this long side and then take the the end of the hijab and then put it here. Now this hijab, I want to tell you, if no one knows, this is from Hijab Fashion Reform Vacoas Mauritius, and I love, this is one of my style which I love sporting, and I like sporting this on even on casual wear, even on occasion you can wear this. And what I love about this is that that you can wear it like that, which is really nice. And I want to explain you, if you don't want it at the back, you can even put it here and the front underneath that. Now if you're wearing anything like, you know, loose shirt, loose, like, you know, your neckline is really large, or you have to cover your neckline, so you just pin it underneath that. Okay, so you have to pin it here, and this also you pin it here. It does really cover, and you put it underneath. Remember to put it underneath that you can't see, like, you know, where it begins and where it ends. And remember, you have to pin it here also, and it won't move. I know it won't move because I did that one. You know, I used to wear the burqa one when I was going to maktab, and it was so much easier. Like, you just wear your burqa, and nowadays you have so many type of burqa, like, you know, with colorful or even not colorful, but you have it like really girly, you know what I mean, even not pink, like, you know, in the nude ones. What you see, I put it here and nothing shows, nothing, you can even pin it here and nothing move. Now the first one was really long at the back, and this one not much, and if you don't want the long one at the back, you can do this also. And now you can do your own, like, you know, your own burqa. And I apologize if it's not called burqa, but I was calling it burqa when I was going to maktab, so please forgive me. But I don't like it like that, you know. I like it like that, but the most favorite would be at the back because I like it flowy. And this is the second style that I wear it flowy, so I'm gonna put it at the back. Now this is me. Like, you know, I don't know if you watch one of my videos on Facebook. I did wear a black hijab and then a red dress, and I was doing like that with the black hijab, and everyone was telling me, how did I do it? Like, you know, the back was much longer because I wore like fitted, not the fitted clothes, but it was covered to the neckline. And so when it's covered and loose, you don't have to put much more because it's summer here and I feel like I'm cooking. And this hijab is extremely light. Don't forget to reach Fashion from Vacoas to get yours, because this is really thin, like you can't feel anything. It's so light, and for this summer you won't even feel it. And I'm feeling like this. It's so gorgeous and it's trendy. So I'm gonna leave you here, my lovelies, and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell to be notified whenever I'm uploading. And if you like this video much before, please like this one too, because I made it again just for you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.